I have the ground for my scope hooked up here to the PWM negative for the fan that I have set up for my part cooling fan. The positive is here for the 5-volt positive for the PanelDue. We'll go over here to the oscilloscope, and it's actually running right now. See if we can get both of these in frame. And so you'll be able to see when I turn the fan down, it will go down to just a blank line. As I increase the fan, we'll get PWM. With, of course, increasing frequency the whole way across. I can actually move my time base in here so you can get a little better of an idea where we're at. There's a little jitter on my scope here. Let's see if we can get that cleaned up a little. But it works absolutely flawlessly that way. And as you can see down here, the peak-to-peak voltage is 5 volts, even though my system is running at 14 volts on the Duet.